Hello, my name is Terry Bates from A God Given Talent. My website is agodgiventalent.com, and I am here today to talk to you about the shipping monster. So, first, I want to show you my new design, fresh off the press. I haven't even put it on my website yet, but yeah, it's faith zipping into fear. So, I hope you guys can see it. Yeah, okay. So, hope you like my new design. Comment below and let me know what you think. But yeah, the shipping monster. So I've been in business for a couple of years now, and one of the biggest things I had to learn about was shipping, because my website is I do online only. So unless like someone's local, then I can meet them and pick them up, but it's mostly online. So I do a lot of shipping, and in the beginning I lost profit due to shipping because I didn't do the correct calculations or whatever. So I want to give you guys some tips on that to help you. First thing I would say is create an account with the USPS, UPS, and FedEx, so that you could get commercial rates. And if you have not set up your business, like legally set it up yet, then if you can't set up an account, then go to pirateshipping.com. They give commercial rates. You still have to create an account, but you don't have to be specifically a business, and you still get commercial rates for going through them. I will also say buy you a scale, or maybe from Amazon for like 20 bucks. USPS, they do offer a scale as well. I actually have one from Amazon and one from United States Postal Service. I actually started with the one from Amazon, and I recently bought one from United States Postal Service because it came with a packet that I bought. But buy your scale so that you can weigh your stuff at home, and so that you can package everything at home. Like, you're wasting time and money standing in line at the United States Postal Service or the UPS store at FedEx trying to mail something off. Go ahead, get your scale. You can weigh it. You can weigh your items, you can measure the boxes, print your own labels at home. You can buy labels or print it on regular paper and use boxing tape to tape it up there, and when you go to the post office, you just drop it off, and you're done, and you already have all of your tracking information and everything. Also, your packing supplies. So you could buy those poly mailers from Amazon, like the envelopes. I would say pick a color for your business. Mine is pink, so when everybody see that pink envelope in the mail, then they know that's a shirt. Those hold probably 2 to 3 shirts, because of course large orders for like family reunions or whatever, I'm shipping those in large boxes. But for the day-to-day orders, for the small 1 or 2 shirts, birthday shirts, what have you, then I ship those in those poly mailers. And so that is a good packaging option, and it's cheap. The other packaging option I would say is like a lot of people don't know this, but United States Postal Service offers free boxes with their logo and everything on it. So if I use one of those, then I made myself some stickers with my business name on it. So I just put the sticker on the box, so that way I'm still getting advertising as I'm shipping things. But yeah, they offer free boxes at the store, or you can just go online to the USPS website and go to supplies and order the boxes, and they will bring it when they're bringing regular mail, and you can order like a couple of packages of them. They come in like 6 packs, or a pack of 6 or 7. It depends on what size you order. So they have some boxes that you still have to weigh. You have to weigh and measure, and then they have some boxes that are flat rate, meaning that as long as it's under 70 pounds and you can fit it all into the box, then it's going to be one flat rate. And I do use those a lot, because like for the pink envelopes that I use, let's say we get up to 4 or 5 shirts, then it's probably going to be once it goes like up to $10 or whatever, I may as well just use a flat rate envelope, because the flat rate envelopes, commercial rates was 8 something. I think it went up this year, so it's probably close to $9 now. But anyway, I always check to see, is it cheaper to use a flat rate envelope or a flat rate box versus my pink envelope. And like I said, I use my stickers so that people still know it's my business and they still excited when they open the mailbox and see that. When you're calculating your shipping, make sure that you weigh that little envelope. Yes, that little envelope weighs something. So weigh it so you can add that to the weight of your shirt. So when you sell it online, the average shirt is probably about 7.4 ounces. And that's probably from around a small to extra large. Now 2X and up is going to be more. So you actually, when you're setting up your information, your shipping stuff, you need to weigh your shirts, each size, to make sure that you're putting the right amount of weight. Because if you're shipping through your website like Shopify or something, it would calculate the shipping for your customers according to the weight of the item that you put in, right? So you want to make sure that you weigh those items. And I'm sorry, I was sitting outside, so y'all probably hear that noise behind me, but it's a beautiful day, so I wanted to sit out and get some sun and talk to you guys at the same time. Let's see, so we went over pirate shipping, commercial rates, buy your poly labels, the USPS, the flat rates. Oh, they have a flat rate envelope, they have bubble envelope, and they have a small, medium, and large box. The large box to me is not that big. There's actually two medium boxes. There's one that's like long and flat, and then there's one that's like a regular square box. And for those, when you go online, you just pick the flat rate and you pick which flat rate box you have. You still have to tell them the weight because they have to know it's under 70 pounds. I'm looking at my notes here. So I think that pretty much about covers it. But you do not want to get caught in this shipping monster because it will eat up your profit and fast. And the good thing about the flat rate boxes is they usually ship in 2 to 3 days because it's priority shipping. So before you quote somebody, make sure you ask them, hey, are you picking it up or am I shipping it to you, so that you can say the shirts is this much plus whatever the shipping will be. And a lot of times, like if I'm shipping, like the first time I shipped 30 shirts, like I wasn't sure how much it was going to be. So I just took 30 blank shirts and threw them in a box and weighed them. And then that gave me like, you know, an idea of how much it was going to be. So even if I lost something, it was like maybe $1 or $2, but you don't want to be losing $5 and $8 and $10 when it comes to shipping. Also, you know, if a person orders so much, you can consider free shipping, which is fine, but you know you're pulling that out of your profit. So make sure you know whether, hey, I am giving them free shipping, but I'm only losing $10 of my profit, versus I gave them free shipping and now I'm losing $50 because it's going to cost me $50 to ship it across country to wherever they are. But I hope this information helped you today. Thank you for tuning into my channel. If this was helpful, please click that like button, click that subscribe button, and I'll be back to see you next time. Remember, you can find me on the web at www.agodgiventalent.com or www.aggt.ink. So I'll see you next time. Have a great day, and thanks for watching. Bye. Be strong.